This is a trick that all cats like. I'm sure most of you cat owners know, but if you don't, and you want them to completely melt, go in between their spine and just rub gently. Down their whole spine. Even the toughest of cats will melt. You gotta take your time. I'm doing it fast right now, just to show you guys. But you gotta take your time with cats. What was that, guys? What was that? Look at the tomcat. What do you guys think? Live from the Cool Cat Cafe. Or no, excuse me, the Do Cafe here in Phuket. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it. Lots of beautiful cats. If you guys are here in Rawai, which is one of the most beautiful places in all of Phuket, you guys gotta come check it out. Look at this, guys. The one that likes to be solo, the solitary one, just like me. Look where he found his home. Look where he found his home. On my satchel. Isn't that something? Well, I'm glad I gave you some comfort, buddy. I'm glad I gave you some comfort. I'm just like you know? I like my alone time. Look at all these extroverts. Look at all these extroverts. Must be a rough life living with all these extroverts. I get it. Sorry, those feet are taken. Someone already rubbed their scent on it. This guy owned my bag, dude. That's cool. That's cool. Enjoy. That is the coolest thing ever. Talk about energies, guys. I'm telling you, energies don't lie. Energies do not lie. Which one of these do you guys think is the most beautiful? I mean, this is a top contender for sure. I don't even know if it's boy or girl, but that's for sure top contender. Am I right or am I wrong? Let me know in the comments.